Social Science, Grade 5, Block 5, Evolution of Human, LP 3, Homo sapiens by teacher Shikha. Student will be able to arrange evolution in sequence. Compare Homo sapiens with predecessors. Also explain the process of evolution. Children, we have already learnt about the Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Neanderthals. Today we will learn about the Homo sapiens or modern humans. Keywords are predecessors, the humans who came before us. Symbols, marks or signs that are used to show something. Communicate, to share information with others by speaking, writing or moving the body. Evolution, the way in which living things gradually change and develop. Children, just look at this picture of Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthals and Homo sapiens. So children, how is Homo sapiens different from others? Children, please read the content book to understand it more precisely. Homo sapiens, which evolved from their predecessors, were tall and not very heavy. They were skilled hunter-gatherers. They used complex tools. They could control fire very well and expressed themselves through cave paintings. Children, what are the differences and similarities between Homo sapiens and their predecessors? Homo sapiens are tall and lean and their bodies are not very heavy. They have large brains, although not bigger than the brains of the Neanderthals. All species of early humans had one similarity: they could all walk on 2 feet. So children, how did early humans evolve into Homo sapiens? Early humans evolved into Homo sapiens after going through several stages of evolution. Their bodies and brain sizes evolved to make them better hunter-gatherers, tool makers, and communicators. They evolved to express themselves through art and symbols. So the question arises, why did evolution happen in stages? Think, why? Let's discuss. Evolution happened in stages because it was a slow process and it took millions of years from one species to evolve into another. It took a very long time for new developments to take place in the body and for behavior to change to make the modern human. Student, please read the content book and try to solve the worksheets on your own. In case if there is any difficulty, we will discuss it during our online session. Please mark your difficulties. You should be able to compare the features of the Homo sapiens with their predecessors, and also you should be able to explain the process of evolution. I hope this lesson is clear to you. Take care, children. Take care of your near and dear ones. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.